Don't get in, Martin. I'm making a video. Oh, on to the next one. Martin. Martin. No. Let him do it. He can do it by himself. He's good. Yeah, the red one's better, Toby.
What are you doing now?
Hey, Toby! Hey, Toby! Are you gonna get dirty in that old yucky tire? Bibs! Oh, 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 oh! Here he comes! Here he comes! Here he comes! Silly boy! Silly boy! You're hogging the video. Show Grandma and Grandpa how brave you are. Please don't fall since I'm not here to make sure you don't slip. Good job. Whoa. Careful. You're so funny. You're my brave boy. Oh, Sonny. Out of the way. Okay. You're my brave boy. You did good. Was that fun? Was that fun, little grass mouth? Is that fun? You gonna swing now? Yeah. You did good. Is it the swing? Oh. 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 Goodness gracious. My goodness gracious. What are Martin and Olivia doing? Martin and Olivia, say hi to Grandma.